the policy based on indemnity or reimbursement? This is big. I remember when I was back with, I can mention them by name now. I was with Mass Mutual at a career agency, 17 years ago. And at the time, the long-term care policy we were selling was an indemnity policy, which is basically we pay out the full benefit regardless of your expenses.
So think of this. This is like kind of like what AFLAC does, right? If you have like an AFLAC accident policy, or you're a Colonial agent, or you were, unfortunately.
Combined insurance. I was with Combined for 6 months. Yeah.
Same difference.
Same difference, but yeah.
So, right. So if you let's say you have an AFLAC accident policy and you get in an accident, and AFLAC says they're going to pay whatever, $1,000 for a chipped tooth or something. It doesn't matter if your dental bill is $500 or $10,000. AFLAC's going to pay you $1,000 because it's an indemnity policy. They're going to pay you an indemnity amount based on the schedule that it says that they're going to pay. And the same thing, like if you have like a lump sum cancer policy or chronic illness or critical illness policy, if you have a heart attack or stroke, it's going to pay you X amount of money for your cancer, heart attack, or stroke. It's going to, so when those qualifying events happen, it doesn't matter what the bill is. It matters what your policy says it's going to pay. So for the indemnity plans, like it says, it pays out regardless of what the bill is. It pays out that specific indemnity amount that's stated in your policy for that whatever that particular claim is.
For as long as you're eligible to be on claim. And correct. I think if I remember right, at the time, they would check on it every 6 months to make sure you're still in an eligible claim. And if they really suspect you, they'll hire private investigators. We actually took a trip down to a long-term care claim office to visit with them, probably on someone else. But the way I look at that, that's and this is a terrible term, totally non-compliant. Again, I talk about terminology, right? This is a long-term care pension. Think of it that way. I mean, we had lifetime benefits. As long as you're eligible to receive the claim, it would pay out regardless of your expenses.